What's up, you guys? I'm back to you with another amazing video, and this time I want to show you how to lighten those dark underarms. So if you're that person who has those dark underarms that are not the same color with your skin tone, then this video is definitely for you. Also, maybe you want to be able to wear your sleevelesses and all those good stuff during summer without having to worry about your underarms, then this video is definitely for you. So guys, also as usual, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please remember to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you get to be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you like this video, do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up. With that said, let us get straight into this video. Hi guys, so to whiten your armpits, this is what you need to do. So you're going to use 1 teaspoon of Colgate toothpaste, put it in a bowl. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add the juice of half a lemon. You can either use lemon or lime depending on what you have. Take out the seeds. Then mix it very well to get a paste. Now, if you don't have sensitive skin, you can use it as it is, but if you have sensitive skin, you have to add aloe vera gel. When you use it this way, it works better and faster. But if you have sensitive skin, there's no problem. You can just add the aloe vera gel and it's still going to work. So just add about a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. If you have the fresh aloe vera, even better. Then mix it up. This will prevent any reaction that you might have from the baking soda or the lemon. Now, once you mix it up well, you just need to apply it on your armpits. Just apply some amount on your armpits, like this. Just apply gently, you don't need to massage it. So once you apply it, leave it for about 5 minutes and then you wash it off with warm water. Now you have to apply this until you get the results that you want. That is all going to depend on how bad your armpits are. So just apply until you get the desired results. And that's it for this video. It's very simple. It won't even take you more than 5 or 10 minutes. So just try it out and let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and bye bye.